Hello Kalabada! Magandang araw po muli sa inyong lahat. No? Rogelio Tapang here with Laundrypreneur. And today, tutuloy na po natin yung ating nasimulan na 3 general steps, no? To setting up a professional, profitable laundry shop in the Philippines. And to summarize yung 3 steps po na yon, SSS, no? Setup, startup, and sustain. But of course, those are general steps. So may mga specific steps po yan kada stage, no? At yan po ang mga pinag-uusapan natin dito sa mga videos na to. No? Ngayon naman po, pag-uusapan natin yung tinatawag na starting up your laundry shop. While you're putting together or setting up your shop, ang kailangan nyo rin pinagkakabalahan is how you're going to start it up. Paano nyo sisimulan. At yan po ang pag-uusapan natin today dito sa Laundrypreneur, the specific steps to start up your laundry shop. Alright, you are back. And sabi ko nga po, ang pag-uusapan natin today is starting up your laundry shop. And last time, yung specific steps to setting up your laundry shop, 4 steps po yun. No? But today, I'm going to talk about starting up your laundry shop. And there are only 2 steps. 2 steps lang in starting up your laundry shop. And they are, number 1, recruit and hire good employees. And number 2, put in place standard operating procedures. Unang-una, recruit and hire good employees. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan po kayong mag-put out ng ads, magpasabi sa inyong network that you are looking for qualified personnel for your laundry shop. Kinakailangan po maging maayos, organized, and even scientific din po tayo sa pag-recruit, pag-interview, and finally sa pag-hire and train ng ating mga employees. So, yun po, finding the right personnel. Okay? The second is putting in place a standard operating procedure. Kanina nabanggit ko po na once you have recruited or hired the right people, you have to train them. Diba? So, para po matrain natin sila ng maayos at mabuti, kailangan meron po tayong pinaka-manual kung saan manggagaling ang mga standards ng ating shop, mga standards na dapat nasusunod, no? At dapat po nakadefine sa simula pa lang ng inyong operations para nga maituro nyo sa inyong mga tao, which of course will also become part of the evaluation ng kanilang job performance. O yun po yun, dugtong-dugtong po yun. So that's part of the startup procedure. Dalawa lang po. Again, to summarize, recruit and hire good employees. And number 2, put in place standard operating procedures. All right? So, I hope may natutunan po kayo today sa ating get-together dito sa Laundrypreneur TV. As always, it is a pleasure to share with you this knowledge na nakasulat na po. Ayan, dito sa aking libro na isinulat. It's called The Laundry Business Owner Steps to Success Guide or Laundry Boss. So, if you would like to get your own copy, kompleto po nandito lahat yung SSS, starting up, setting up, starting up, and sustaining your laundry business. Nandito po lahat yon. So, for you to get a copy, you can go to www.laundrypreneur.com. Okay, sa aming pong website. Ado, makuha niyong kopya nito. Kompleto na po yan. For those of you first time to see this, ayan kompleto na po siya. And you can buy this either in actual printed book form or you can also buy it as an e-book para instantly makuha nyo na agad. Alright? So with that mga kalabada, maraming salamat po for listening. Please keep on following Laundrypreneur TV dito sa YouTube. Kung kayo naman po ay nasa Facebook, please like our page Laundrypreneur. So with that, maraming salamat po muli. To you, Kalabada, success!